My name is Paresh. So I'm just here to discuss about the partition, what we have before and now. So if you see, before we are struggling a lot with the partition, like everything was mess. So if you see now, this one working very well, very smooth. Everything is fine. If you see the quality and the presentation, everything is good. Yeah. So everything I see, everything is top notch. So we will see how it works. But now I see the work is done very smoothly and operating. Everything is very well and very well organized and maintained by the team, the Gibca company. So thank you for great work.